Hi team, I'm going to walk you through the app that we have developed that will help you to connect Twilio with HubSpot that you can use inside HubSpot's workflow to send SMS automatically using the integration app adapter that we've developed. So first we have to come to Amvis Marketplace, marketplace.amvis.com, and log in with your account. If you don't have an account, you can click on create account and create a new one. I've just got an account. I've logged in, and in under the apps section you can see under HubSpot you have integrate HubSpot to Twilio, and click on no more, which will take you to the detailed page where you can see all the installation steps, and dashboard where you can see the logs and the total requests you have sent uh, to Twilio, and then the credentials page where you configure all your Twilio account details, the account SID, auth token, and the Twilio phone number. And inside here, we have already created an app, HubSpot Twilio test. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on install the app, which will take me to HubSpot Auth, where I select HubSpot Twilio test and then choose account, and here I'll give all the permissions required, and I click on connect app. So what data we take is manage and view CRM data such as properties, details, accounts, create, delete, and make changes to companies, view details about contact list, create, delete, make changes to contact list, and then view properties and other details about contacts, create, delete, and make changes to contact, and view properties and other details about deals, create deal, delete deal, and make deals. And then we get permissions for the create timeline events and basic HubSpot information. And once you give access, click on connect app, and once the authentication is done, it will take you back to Twilio, to Amvis Marketplace. Open it again. Now we got to configure the credentials from Twilio. Go to Twilio, log into Twilio, and then take your account SID from Twilio, and then go back to Amvis Marketplace, paste it in the account SID, and then take the auth token and put it in the auth token space, and finally the Twilio phone number. Just paste it there and hit save, and now the credentials are saved successfully. And I'll go back to dashboard, and here is the overview page where you see all the instructions for it. Now we have successfully installed the app. You can see that here. Go to settings and go to connected apps, and now you can see Twilio SMS by Amvis. Alright, now the app has been installed successfully. Here is the dashboard, and now what I'm going to do is create a workflow and use the workflow inside, and use the integration adapter inside the workflow. I'll click on create a workflow from scratch. Okay, I'll click contact based, yes, blank workflow, yes, and hit next. Alright, I'm going to set up the trigger when an event occurs, yep. Object created, yes, and then hit save, and then when a new contact is created, what should happen? An SMS should be sent from Twilio. Send Twilio SMS. So select this on, and here you can choose the property, which is the phone number, and I'm giving a message. Welcome to Amber's App Marketplace. Explore Twilio SMS with Hubspot. Contact owner and hit save. Okay, so now a simple workflow has been connected. All right, it's time for us to test this out. I'm going to review and publish. Yes, turn it on. Okay, now the workflow is on. All that I got to do is go back and create a new contact which should trigger an SMS. Okay, I'll go back to marketplace. Earlier, I'm just refreshing to ensure that what data we have here. All right, so this was a test that I ran earlier. For the demo, I had uninstalled and now reinstalled it so that I can show it to you guys. And yep, these are all the test contacts I created earlier, and here I'm going to create a new contact. Prabhu this3@ambers.com, and phone number, of course, 962989961. Apply. And now I'm going to create a contact which should send an SMS, a welcome SMS to my number. Okay, a contact has been created, and let's see what happens. I'm just waiting for an SMS to be sent to my number. Yes, as you can see the log, an SMS has been triggered and I got it in my inbox. So this is the request ID, and then this is the message, and unfortunately the workflow failed. Okay, let me check my inbox. Oh, that was a different message I received. I haven't received this SMS, so there was an issue with the workflow, the number or the contact that I've created. Let me see what 9629899. Okay. The number got somehow missed out here. Okay, I get it. So in the workflow, I have to configure the number correct. All right, I didn't select the right phone number. Sorry about that. And let's give it a name. Amber's Twilio SMS. Okay, let's keep it as Twilio SMS by Amber's. Oops. Yep. I'll just save it and save it. Okay, it should be working now. Give me one sec. Go back to contacts, create a new contact. I'll use Prabhu +4 at ambers.com. my number, apply, and now it should send an SMS to my number. Yep, waiting. Okay, let me refresh. Yes, you heard the sound. I just received an SMS. Okay, you can see the status. Sent from Twilio Telecom. Welcome to Twilio SMS. Explore Twilio SMS with the Hubspot. So I've got the same message sent to my phone number, and the status is success. So far, I have made about 3 requests from this adapter. So every call that is made in the workflow, whenever a call is triggered, that is considered as a request. So you can see there are like 3 requests sent so far, in which one is failed because of the workflow was configured incorrectly. And yeah, you can see the credentials are still there, and you can see the transaction details. So these are all the transaction details, where you can see how many credits has been used and what is the total credit balance you have. So anybody who is using the app by default will have, go to subscription, you can see how many credit balances you have here. So it says I still have like 99 credits balance, and this is like free credits per month, and then like you can upgrade 2000 credits per month. So if you click on the credit history here, you can see if you purchase the pro plan, you can see that history here. Like whenever you purchase a credit, that also will be here. You can also buy some custom credits, I mean like ad hoc credits. You just need only 10 more, like let's say you need like 1000 credits, you can just buy it directly, or you can alternatively upgrade by clicking on upgrade to plan. So this is what it is. So the way it works is, every time a request is made in the adapter to Twilio, that is considered as a credit. So that is like 1 credit per API call, and you can see the balances here. So that's about the HubSpot integration between Twilio and HubSpot. Thank you. Thanks for listening to this. If you have any questions, please feel free. And thank you. Take care.